You have no idea how much fun you're going to have. We know because we do this every day and we just watch that smile getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Okay, it's all yours. See you when you get back.
You have no idea how much you're going to learn today about what the car does, when it does it, why it does it, and what you should do when it does. There's no downside here. This is where we lose control and then figure out how to get control back.
I thought it was really fun, really interesting experience. I totally saw it from a whole nother perspective. Like driving in general, it was awesome, really fun.
Nice job, you got to be happy with that. Yeah, that looked really good.
Yeah.
So the steering looked nice and smooth as you came through that.
I got an opportunity to really see what the car is capable of.
You know your car is always talking to you. It's always telling you what it's doing or what it's not doing. You're going to feel a car do things today like you've never felt before.
More than what I expected.
Let's pick the speeds up and go a little bit faster. Really challenge yourself. Push yourself through it.
It's really just thrilling to like do something that's like you usually don't do in everyday life.
Pushing it beyond what I thought and learning how to keep it under control.
Just the way the car was moving was like so new to me, but also just like really exciting and really fun.
A really fun day.
This is the biggest, most fun experience of my life.